Microsoft 365 Copilot is a new feature that helps you work smarter and faster with natural language commands and suggestions. It is your Copilot for work, using the power of large language models and your data in the Microsoft Graph to turn your words into actions. With Copilot, you can do things like create documents, presentations, spreadsheets, emails, chats, and more with just a few words. Edit, summarize, rewrite, and format your content with ease. Get suggestions for content, tone, style, and data from across your organization. Ask questions and get answers from your data and documents. Automate tasks and workflows with simple commands. Copilot is integrated into the Microsoft 365 apps you use every day, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. You can access Copilot from the app toolbar or by typing at Copilot in any text field. You can also use a new app called Business Chat to interact with Copilot in a conversational way. Copilot understands your context and intent based on your data in the Microsoft Graph. This includes your calendar, emails, chats, documents, meetings, contacts, and more. Copilot also respects your data security and privacy in the enterprise. Copilot can help you unleash your creativity, unlock your productivity, and up-level your skills. It can save you time and effort on the busy work and let you focus on the work that matters most. It can also help you learn new things and improve your work quality. In this video, we will show you how to use Copilot to boost your productivity with third-party apps. You will see how Copilot can help you integrate apps like Trello, Slack, Zoom, Spotify, and more into your Microsoft 365 workflow. You will also learn how to customize Copilot to suit your preferences and needs. Let's get started. In this section, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot in different Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more to create, edit, summarize, and format documents, spreadsheets, presentations, emails, chats, and more. Copilot is your Copilot for work. It combines the power of large language models with your data in the Microsoft Graph and the Microsoft 365 apps to turn your words into the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. Let's start with Word. Copilot in Word writes, edits, summarizes, and creates right alongside you. With only a brief prompt, Copilot in Word will create a first draft for you, bringing in information from across your organization as needed. Copilot can add content to existing documents, summarize text, and rewrite sections or the entire document to make it more concise. You can even get suggested tones, from professional to passionate and casual to thankful, to help you strike the right note. For example, let's say I want to write a blog post about Copilot.